guys, welcome back to my channel Eternal Bliss. How are you all doing? Hope आप सब बिल्कुल ठीक हैं and you're safe and you are healthy. So today's video is about few things which are my favorites, and they have been my favorites since 1.5 months, and I'm still using them. They are still my favorites. So I thought of doing my like monthly favorite series. I thought of starting that. So I'll be sharing you some of the products which I love and I'm like really into them, and I'm using them consistently. So let's start the video and let me show you what all products are those. So let's start with first the skincare products. As you all know, I love skincare, and आई नो ये प्रोडक्ट्स आपने मेरे अगर आपने मेरे वीडियोस देखे हैं तो यू मस्ट हैव सीन दीज प्रोडक्ट्स इन माय वीडियो बिकॉज आई लव दीज प्रोडक्ट्स एंड दे आर रियली वर्किंग वेल फॉर मी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So the first product is the moisturizer, which I am like loving these days. It's the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour Moisture Surge, and it's amazing. मतलब मैं बोल नहीं, इसके लिए आई थिंक वर्ड्स नहीं है. इट इज़ फॉर एवरी स्किन टाइप. इट विल सूट एवरी स्किन टाइप क्योंकि माई स्किन टाइप इज़ ड्राई and it suits me so well. It gives me so much of hydration, and like after washing the face also, my face does not feel dry. So it's like the like it says that it's 72-hour it gives 72 hour of moisture and hydration. Then I think it really is giving that, and it's true. So definitely try this product, and if you get a chance, and let me know if you like it in the comment section. So this was my first product. So let's move on to the next product. So next is also a skincare product, but it's for my lips, and you must have seen this product. I love this product, and it's the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is the tub. This is so small that जब ये आया था, I like bought it, and when it was delivered to me, then I thought कि बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगा, but that's not the case. Let me show you. It's been like more than a month, and I'm using it daily, and it just like it is I just take a tiniest amount, and it's like it's enough. So this is like, this was for 500 rupees, and I think it's worth every penny, and it is amazing, guys. It will not, you will not only use it in the night time as a sleeping mask, but you can also use it in the daytime as well. I use it to just moisturize my lips, and just as a lip balm, and it works wonders. I don't have chappy lips now. I don't have any dry lips. I don't have like dryness around my lips. So everything is gone, and it's really working for me. So do try this product. It's very good. So let's move on to the next product. And the next one is again a skincare product, which also I have shown you before, but I really love it, so I want to show it again, and I wanted to include it in my favorites. So this one is the eye cream from Kiehl's. It's a creamy eye treatment with avocado, and guys, this is also amazing. I tend to have a dry under eyes, like under my eyes there used to be dry patches or dry skin, a flaky skin. Now when I use this, it's like I don't have it. I don't have that problem. Plus also I've noticed my fine lines are not there, and also I don't have dark circles initially also, but still now I feel my under eyes are more brightened up. Okay, so now after the skincare, I have one product which is for my hair, and it is this. This is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum, and this is the new launch from L'Oreal. Recently they have launched it last month, and I bought it and I really like it. I have it can be used to various ways, in various ways, but I have used it like after washing my hair and putting it on my like lens, and also before like a night treatment. Before washing my hair, I just put the serum on my like lens, and not on the scalp, only the length, in the night, and I slept, and in the morning I washed my hair. So what I notice is today also I just applied this serum on my hair, and my hair feels soft, plus the frizziness is not there. I have color treated hair, chemically treated hair, so uh, in this type of hair we really want to take care of our hair, because chemically treated hair में dryness, frizziness ज़्यादा हो जाती है. So what I tried this product and I really like it. So if you get a chance, do try it, because it's really a good product, and it's it's the price of this product is $4.99, and in $4.99 you get so much of product. It'll go a long way. So definitely try it. It's a very nice product for your hair. Okay, so after our skin care and after our hair care, I have a product, not a product, but yes, I have a book which I'm about to complete. Almost I have completed this book. I started reading this book. 1 minute. Ulti hai. It's like, can you see? Okay, so the name of the book is Subtle Art of Not Giving a F Word. I think you can understand. I'm not saying it, maybe some people get offended. So this book, guys, please, if you get a chance to read this book, do read it, because I'll tell you my experience. I like reading, but due to some I was like busy and all that stuff, I was not able to give time to reading. But then I decided to read again, and I decided with this book. So I was going through a time when I was little upset and not good, not a good time. So I started reading this book, and when I read this book, I when I read 2-3 lines, I just started laughing, smiling, and what I thought was that this book was making me smile. So what I think, that if you are like upset, you are down, you are like not in a mood, then do give it a try and read this book. You will definitely like it, and it will not, I don't know if you will love reading it or not, but yes, definitely it will give a smile on your face. So I would definitely recommend this book, and if you get a chance, please do read it. I think if something can make you smile, then I think we should try that. Okay, so that was about the book, and now I'll show you one thing. I have shown this thing to you in my Miniso haul, and this is the like mirror which I bought from Miniso. This is a very cute mirror which I bought, and so when you are doing your makeup and all that, it is a very handy mirror for that. And for me, yes, as I am like now making videos, making makeup tutorials and everything, so it's really handy, and I think it's very travel friendly as well. You can take it, you can pack it in your bag, and wherever you want to go, you can go, and you just want to get a little touch up and everything, you can do it with this mirror. So this thing, I really like it, so I included it. Okay, so the next product is this. This is the sandwich spread from Fun Foods, and the sandwich spread is Thousand Island. Guys, if you love sandwiches, if you love different kind of sandwiches, like vegetable sandwiches with paneer, tomato and cucumber, or if you love normal aloo sandwich also, then also you can apply, you can just put this sandwich on the bread slices and just have it once. It is very tasty, and it's like you don't have to add much things after putting it on the bread slice, because its taste is like itself, it's very tasty. So I would really recommend, if you love sandwiches, and I think everybody loves sandwiches, so if you love sandwiches, do try this. This is a very nice sandwich spread from Fun Foods, and I will definitely put the name of this sandwich spread in the description box, so that, and it is available in any like departmental store, any grocery store, so you can try it. Okay guys, so last but not the least, and any favorites is like uh, पूरा नहीं होता when you do not include lipstick in it, and you know how much I love lipsticks. So this is the lipstick I have shown before as well. This is a lipstick from Smashbox, and it's the shade is Gulabe, and I just love this shade. This shade is like the shade from MAC Meher. If you have ever tried that lipstick is like, if you कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो just apply Meher. So the same is happening with me with this lipstick. जब मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता, I just apply Gulabe, and it goes with every outfit, every color, and it looks really very good. So I think you should definitely try this lip shade, and it will go on all skin types, and you'll just love it. The texture and the consistency, everything is very good of this lipstick. So do try this, and that's about it. These were my favorites. These are my favorites. I'm still using them. So it's just that I bought them in last month. So I wanted to share with you that yes, these all are my favorites. And if anything you like it from these products, do buy and tell me in the comment section how you like it, and what are your reviews on it. So that's about it. Please do subscribe to my channel, and put down the comments whatever you feel like, and what kind of videos you want to see in future. And that's it. That's about it. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.